Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing in to Bing with the account you intend to remove. This confirms ownership immediately. Once signed in, open Settings and Account Info to verify the primary email or phone on file, because Bing links to Microsoft accounts. Make sure your recovery options are current and a trusted device is nearby for authentication. If multi-factor prompts appear, complete them now. Doing so prevents delays later and ensures you can authorize the removal request securely. Now proceed to the Microsoft account portal tied to Bing and choose Close Account under your info. This centralizes the closure process. You will see prompts to review linked services, subscriptions, and stored data. Read each line because Bing search history and personalization are affected. Unlink or cancel subscriptions and back up needed content like saved searches or Edge favorites. Once you remove dependencies and confirm you understand consequences, follow the verification steps and request closure. This cues the account for deactivation. Finish by confirming the closure request via the confirmation email you receive. Microsoft often places accounts in a waiting period before permanent deletion, so note that time frame. Sign out of all devices and clear browser caches to remove active sessions and local data. If the process stalls, check for remaining subscriptions, family or school account links, or active holds that prevent deletion. If you still encounter problems, open a support case with Microsoft Support and provide the verification details. That usually resolves blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.